That's on God. I might pull up in that 6. That's on God. All my homies off the shits. That's on God. She's a killer queen, young body, gelatine, dynamite with the dynamite, with the dynamite, with the
all black like I'm goonin', bitch, you know just how we boot. You know just how we comin' in, you know just how we shoot. Got 6 of everything, 6 niggas, 6 Z's and 6 pistols. Niggas came on me, so we bought it for the city up. Heard he was a fuck nigga, we gon' give him 50 fucks. Y'all be playing hopscotch, we be playing drop ops. Never heard of none of y'all niggas tryna pop lock. Come and make your block hot, top shot, cook them in a crock pot. They ain't got no aim, they be shooting with their eyes cocked. This is me for fame, it's a shame that I'm die high. Topping like a crane, pick them up and we op drop. You ain't in the field, second string, but you sideline. Nigga try to run, catch his ass, give him side shots. Tired of all these no-name, lame ass niggas always tryna get some fucking stain off a nigga, cause they trash. But as soon as they say they name, little nigga, they get fame. Now they think they in the frame ass nigga. Like, no, nigga, you ain't even halfway. Pull up and we pick one. You